Hello, my name is Dan Johnson. I am a technical sound designer at Somatone. In this video, I am going to cover an exciting new feature in FMOD Studio 110, Smart Presets. Large projects can have thousands of events, creating a huge challenge for developers. Smart Presets provide an innovative workflow solution to managing parameters, effects, and automation across events in your project. This feature greatly improves scalability while also reducing the project's memory footprint. Smart Presets allow you to link any number of events and have changes propagate across your project. Let me show you how they work. So in my project, I have several collision events, and I want all of them to have the same fall-off curve. So I can go in and add an effect, a 3D spatializer, and set it how I want. Then right-click on it, convert to preset, and you'll see this arrow pops up. You can click on that. It'll open your preset browser, and then I can rename this, put it in my collision effects, and then I'm going to go to my next event. I can either drag it in, or I can go to my add effect menu at the bottom, preset effects, and add my fall off. And anytime I change this, let's say that is min distance was too far, I can change this back down and it'll change across all of my events. Now that I have the fall off curve set up, I want to add this intensity curve and its automations to the other events. So I can use my preset browser to just drag those events in, or drag those effects in, and it'll drag in the parameter as well as the curve. The automation curves have been moved down into the deck to associate them more closely with the effects that they're with. If you want to see this in the editor again, you can just right click and show automation in editor, and then add in the parameter that's associated with, and you can edit this here as well, and it mimics the automation in the deck. And so I can also add effect, preset effect, like this. It's important to note that each of the intensities on the event have a different value. It's because each one is a different object and can hold its own value. You're not linked to the same value across all of the parameters. Now let's say that later on in the project, I need to rename this. We want to call it velocity instead. You can see that every instance of that has been changed to velocity. And I can also right click on it and edit it and say I want to change from 0 to 100 as opposed to 0 to 1 like it was before. I can just say okay and then scale it. All of these are linked, and all I did was just edit the parameter. So you can see how this is really easy to scale to large projects. So our event sounds like Smart presets make it easier to manage large projects, reduce memory footprint, allow you to edit once and change everywhere, and provide a dynamic and scalable workflow that is fast and easy to iterate. You can download FMOD Studio 110 at fmod.com. Thanks for watching.